Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to talk about our PD890 AIV electronic air cleaner mobile unit on casters. Again, ideal for offices, condos, any facility basically that you want to create a good clean air environment with electrostatic precipitators. This is one of our many lines that we carry out there, from our smaller 590 unit to our 890 unit up to our industrial actual electronic air cleaners as well. I'll show you the process of how it works here. Number one, it's on casters, very versatile and easy to move around, and which again consists of a 3-component part on it, which is your pre-filter, your actual main cell itself, and your carbon filter on the system. So again, your pre-filter, washable filter. Now what we use is our product called DELUXE. Our DELUXE solution is a solution that's used for electronic air cleaners, all of our electronic air cleaners, doesn't matter which model it is. Has a set of instructions on here, how to wash your cells and what to do, very straightforward, and explains basically how the process of electronic air cleaner washing, okay? So you're gonna basically spray, rinse off, warm water, spray the pre-filter, let it dry for 24 hours. The same thing with the cell itself. You're going to remove the cell from the unit. You're going to spray the cell 45-degree angle, about 5 inches away, both sides of the plates, all the plates cover them. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes in your sink, in your tub, for 5 minutes. Once your 5 minutes is up, give it a good rinse, and you're going to let the unit dry on a 45-degree angle for at least 24 hours, okay? Then you have your final carbon filter, which you don't wash. Carbon filter gets replaced after 6 months of operation. You can get that from us as well too. Once it's all dried, ready to go back into operation, you reassemble the unit, carbon filter on the top, arrow pointing upwards. Again, all of our units show the direction of airflow coming from the front and coming upwards, so you can't be mistaken. By the way, if you do put it in the wrong way, the power light will not come on, okay? The unit will not operate. Nothing will happen, it just won't operate. You're going to put your pre-filter in as well too. Big mesh side upwards to protect the cell itself. Once it's all been put back into operation, cleaned, the door does have a safety switch built into it. It's a fantastic feature. You can't get injured with the fan or with the cell itself. You put the cover plate in 100% closed. It will not operate unless the whole entire plate's all the way in. So keep putting that knob all the way in. Once it's done, you're going to actually turn the unit, bring the power light on, 3 speeds of operation. You see the power light on, then red, green indicates negative ionization, okay? Low speed, medium speed, high speed. This unit comes with a 1-year factory warranty, the fan motor, the cells, and the pre-filter.